Welcome 8th standard to English class by Mamta Shetty. Today's topic is 1.2 Dick Whittington. We are going to start this topic with the warming up. The first question is discuss the following in groups and write the answer. They have given the picture of 4 personalities, famous personalities, and you have to answer the questions. Right? The first question is identifying the picture. First one Abraham Lincoln, first one Abdul Kalam, second Abraham Lincoln, third Charlie Chaplin, and fourth one Kalpana Chawla. Second question is that you have to guess the hardship they must have faced in their childhood and youth. This is an example answer: poverty, lack of support, orphan, lack of formal education. Right? The next question is you have to answer what strong qualities possessed by them could have helped them achieve success and fame all over. So these are the qualities: hard work, self-belief, persistence, personal. So it is, you can write anyway, jumbling up this. I have example is given. You have to write your own answers. How do stories, next question is, how do stories, biographies of such famous people help youngsters? So personal response, this all questions, A, B, C, D, all are personal response questions. This is a just example answer related to this, nearby this you can write the answers. Next topic we are going for syllable. This unit you have already completed in primary section. It's a revision. A syllable is a unit of pronunciation that has one vowel sound and may or may not have a consonant sound. Vowel A, E, I, O, U. Consonant remaining letters. So one syllable. When we trace on a word, that is said to be a syllable. So some may be having one, another 2, 3 or more than 3. Now you see once they have given the example A, I, C, H, on, man, with thread. Next, mother, seated, giraffe, parrot. How we pronounce it? Happiness, wonderful, consequently. Yes, you can break this word into a different pronunciation. Consequently. Yes. So they have given you an example topic about the syllable. You can take your friend's name and you can write it up like Sahil, Ali, your friend's name you can write. You can take your friend's name and you can write it up, right? See now, Sahil, Ali, Samira, Rishikesh, Kartikeya. One syllable, two syllable, three syllable, that way. Okay? Example. Now we are going to start with the topic. 1.2 Dick Whittington and his cat. There is no author. This is a biography chapter. So we are going to start with the chapter. There was once a poor boy called Dick Whittington who lived in a small village in the south of England. He had no proper home, for both his parents had died, and he was unkindly treated by many of the village. One day Dick overheard someone say that the streets of London were paved with gold, and he decided that he would go there at once and pick up the fortune in a golden piece from the street. Right? So let me explain, before we go there, let me explain this. What, there is a one boy, young boy, his name is Dick. Right? And then what happened? He has lost his both parents, mother and father, and villagers used to treat him badly. He decides that I will go to London. Why? Because on the street of London there is lot of gold. So what he decides? Chalo, let me go. So he sets out walking. He had not gone far when a man in a cart, he stops and he asks him, are you running from the home or what? He is saying, no, I am not running. I am going to London. Why to London? To find the fortune. So carter is saying, come up, even I am going there, I will give you a lift. And in this way, both of them go to London. And they reach London also. Right? But what happens? The carter, he drops Dick and the carter goes to the inn. Now Dick doesn't have anyone. He is waiting. See now, he is waiting in a disappointment, great disappointment. Dismay means great disappointment. No one is there, right? And he is searching the street. There is no gold. He can only see the streets are only filled with dirty streets and lot of unfriendly people. He has nowhere to sleep also. So in the end, what happens? He goes and sleeps in the corner of an alley. The corner of an alley. What is an alley? Alley is a narrow passage between the building or behind the building. You can see two buildings and middle some passage is there. That also you can say alley. Or behind the building there is a passage. There you can say. Yes. So where he hoped that no one is going to harm him up, and he thinks of taking a rest in the night. See now he sees the street. There is no gold. Only all the litters are there, right now. So, and no friendly people. So, what he decides? He decides to sleep, take a rest in the alley. Understood up to here, children? Yes, this poor Dick. Yes, at that time he is a small boy, no one is that well. Next morning what happens? See, next morning he woke up cold, miserable and very hungry. No one is, he start begging for the food again and again. People just scold him up and say, go away you lazy boy, be off with you. Right? They aim at him, they give him angry blows like beating on the head, hitting on the leg. At last he falls down in the street and he lays there. Too big, he is not having any food also. And what happened? By chance, by luck, he he falls down where? In front of a big house. And it belongs to whom? It belongs to the person named Mr. Fitzwarren. Right? And then, who opens the door? The cook. What is who? This you can see from the hat itself only, and the dress, right? The cook. What was the cook doing? The cook was trying to drive away the Dick. Why you are sleeping here? Get up, go from this place. Don't sleep here or go, don't lie down here. And at that time what happened? Mr. Fitzwarren, he returns from inspecting his ships. He is a merchant. Who is this? This Fitzwarren is a merchant and he owns lot of ships. So he was returning home. What does he do? He stops and he asks Dick, why don't you work if you need a food? Then Dick is saying, I am not having work. I think, don't worry, I will give you the food. You have to work. He's saying, nobody is giving me anything to do. So what this Fitzwarren is saying, is asking, is ordering this cook that take Dick to the kitchen. First give him food and then find him some work. So let him work, let him be an assistant to whom? Cook and work. So at least now Dick has got some food, place to rest and work. Yes, for today's class only up to this much. The remaining in the next session. By that time you read the full topic. It's a very inspiring story of a young boy Dick and how he attained success and fame in his life. Write down the meanings and you will understand this chapter by one reading only. Thank you.